them love. Freaky woman and them girl them love.
Hey,
never see
something
something
where we love so.
Deaf.
At 2020 now. Little girl right now is safe from her now. Go home. Go home. Go home. Right, run tune.
Every time I fuck
My
my cocky
kid.
get so.
Hey.
Some circle the go club. Girl we go down you me.
Yo, it's if you got the go club and them not do it. Don't give them no money. If you got the go club and them not do it. Don't give them no money. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, boom, boom, boom. The Reaction Boss is back in effect in YouTube right now. They are back with another series for this week. It's a new week. So we are going to start it off fresh, the right way, the proper way. We're starting off with a bad blood clot series again like last week. Thank you for running up on the series we did last week. We do the whole lyrics system part 1 to 3. And like it. So somebody comment and say, yo, freaky girl of them, y'all let me love. Freaky woman of them, let me. Hey! So right now I have Vybz Kartel, Freaky Girls. Part 1 to start off the series right about way. You understand? People, this reaction is in boss mode. You understand me? For the past few videos I'm post, I'm never in a boss mode, no, but just a relax and just a go through and listen to song them. If you don't realize, right now I'm in a boss mode again. Watch us tell ya.
Yo, listen to the voice note, yeah.
Me what you say? She sound like a big girl who love that body. She sound like she love that. She sound like she love. You hear me I say? But I'm not share some. I'm not even talk too long. People, hold on, I'm never telling you to subscribe to my channel. Hold on, wait. We're under the 10,000 subscribers up. If you're not subscribing, please subscribe like right now. I am Jamaica Morris 10K. Make you go on like really I said, man.
Remember me tell me some push the boy out with dog in the show. Yeah, want to come on me, yeah.
What? Me cockroach stop. That girl are bad. What she do? What she do? What she do? What? Well, I need some hand sanitizer. That phone they gone. That phone ya gone. Yo, that phone ya gone. Run, tune.
Hey, but couldn't believe it. Me I say, yo, Jano. Boy, I got no family fee. Me just say, yo, no man.
That girl a body. About one you know, me pass the video for a while ago. You see Vybz Kartel with the bumbo class slide up Blackberry from 19 oh long. You know, long we don't see them phone the dog. Blackberry a good. Hey. Them time they no Blackberry. If you never Blackberry, you not say nothing, no dog. But right now, I laugh about Blackberry. We're on true. Not to talk about that.
And I can't get any get a proper soccer.
Well, Daddy, before you even talk about the girl, some of you love up on proper things. She said, why do you forget a what and a what? No, sir, that girl too bad. That girl, hold on, we need something worse than the car. We have wipes. Hold on, no, hold on. Let me wipe out my phone a little bit. No, dog. Why? No, sir. Alright. Run tune.
Girl them love. Freaky woman and them girl them love.
Hey.
Never see
Something
something
where
where
we
we
love
love
so. Deaf. At 2020 now. Little girl right now is safe from her now. Go home. Go home. Go home. Right, run tune.
Every time I fuck
My
my cocky
kid.
get so.
Hey.
Some circle the go club. Girl we go down you me.
Yo, it's if you got the go club and them not do it. Don't give them no money. If you got the go club and them not do it. Don't give them no money. Be smooth with that in a run tune.
Love. Never see something where we love so. Every time I fuck my cocky get so.
Hey! You know what you're there now? Yeah, baby. Yo, come here. Ugh. Yeah. If you're not, go home, bumbo clear, run tune.
No tell no lie about it. Every time you get a head and sit nice down.
Hey, hold on now. For the generals that may watch the video right now, brother, don't tell no lie about this in the dog. Every time I get that from my girl, it a nice. Every time I get that from my girl, it a bad. But guess what? If you get a girl and she now send her home, Buckley, Rachun.
She said, Dice, retire me one price
Mount
out.
it,
When
hey.
me go ask Jolene, she said, Dice,
Mount it.
Me papa street vibes, she rejoice.
Mount it, me say, Buckler, one lad. We can't drop it and even just start. We can't cup the gun too tight. Rachun, beast. Boss mode,
Mount it, and me bill up and slip and while I smoke it. She grab the cocky and I stroke it. And it's sweet.
Wait, what? I first hear about that one day, no. I strut it. How that one they go, ladies? Freaky girl and them girl now in love. Freaky. Hold on, what if I can post a video upon you? Me just think about that video right now. How am I going to tackle the video? I can't go tackle it free. Bumbleclip, I can't post a video. I can't post a video. Because if you get them now, go home, run tune.
Guitar, she have a voice now.
And she said,
Me just want to be a big old, big thinking, orange freak with it.
what she say? She just want to be a big old blah 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 blah, big or blah blah or not blah blah. What? Little girl ain't got nothing about you. No, sir. Me say if it. But me not say if it be no big old sting, not a big old oh. No, me just say if it. Me never want to be the big old this and a big old that and a big old that. Me just say if it. You understand? You know it, chap. Run tune.
She said,
Me just want to be a big old, big thinking, orange freak with him.
Oh, with me. All right. All right. I'm the Santa's man. I wait for him to come over here. I don't know it, chap. Yeah, it's all right. I'll be sure talk to I'll be sure bless Kita. Whoa, I'll be sure talk to. All right, yeah, me. Yeah, man, I'll be sure talk to. All right, everything governed as usual. Right, June.
Loudly girl,
With
with
the
the freaky design. Gonna scan them, but me no mind.
Deaf. Man, them are going like something better than the girl them we want. Go home. We don't want to around here. We don't like negative energy. How we make we get it from the girl them? How we make we get it? From your girlfriend. 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 Low way. Run tune.
She's so cocky, to me that's fine.
Alright.
No quite yet with dark them mind.
Me deaf, we never talk my mind. Baby girl, come in. Deaf? I been up on some girl live last night in the dog and them a talk about. Them not like when the man, them don't want no man who do them something. They say do that bad man for a reason. Them fear do it for the man them. And they may say but them want the money for it. That me like it at the girl them. Some real Jamaican man no. Yes no man. You understand? You see, they come to America, you have to grow the American girls, so you know, say Jamaica come from one of them bomber thing there, you know. And then I say, but you see, they got them Jamaica dog. Hey, me nah, and they say they get a Jamaican girl to beat John Blood Clot.
But freaky girl of them girl them in love.
Yeah.
Freaky woman of them girl them in love. Never
Well, we love sir. Every time, man, come on, we don't want you to chorus again, please, Addy, no.
so, every time I fuck my cocky get so.
Yo, people go class and I want to talk to them. I tell you.
Hey, me say something I don't like now, you know. Right? After me and you just do good, right, baby girl? You run down to the friend the voice note. Me say me and the boy just with the little girl. And me say blah blah. Why? Burn off that. Burn off that. Me are talking to the third person for the girl, not me. Why? But as me I say, she run go and tell her friend, say, yo, me and Terry vlogs reaction boss. Just my she works, you know, be. And me say the boy and him this and him that. Girls them, don't do it. Keep it a secret. Me and like your friend to watch, you know. And then they can't get your friend coaching no more. So don't do it, my friend. It's not good for a relationship. Run tune.
The world, if you know about that blood clot, can't get them. Me need to fix some money for that can't get them.
I get so like, you know what I mean? Mad bomb not. Man, the family. You know when they go on all right there and town, you want to go nice to sexy fatty pan and and to sexy fatty, you don't want to sexy bleach as them pan the road and you just pick her up and turn her into somebody. You don't know it chopping. And then she goes a boom dog. Why? People me know if you want for the part 2 and part 3 of how much part of the freaky girl? I don't remember. But if you know if you want the rest of them, like I don't know, so the reaction boss is out here in full effect. You know. Right now we're in a boss mode, you know. Make a mistake and say base mode a while ago. Boss mode. They're gonna put boss mode on that shirt. We're gonna put run tune on that shirt. We have a next shirt off already. Okay, First time I stone.
Cocky there, no, no, Julie. Tell her what a cocky there, you know.
Say, I'm out. I'm out.